think you guys can hear me now. Are you guys able to hear me now? Let me know. I said I caught the 15-minute rejection block. He can say the N-word and we won't even know. Higher volume. Is this better? There we go. Is it better now? I put it pretty high now. It's quite soft. Make it hard. Who else is gooning? What is wrong with you guys, bro? It's 11 in the morning. Damn. Are we taking the 1 hour rejection block? That's the low. I don't like that one that much. I think I'd rather short. I think we're gonna get a sell off today. Turn it up higher, bro. Are you guys like deaf? Like what the fuck? Is that better? That should be good now. But we fixed the mic problems that we were having, so that's good. I'm thinking about restarting the 300 challenge account, gang. What do we think? Yo, Harry, are you in here? Mr. Harry the mod? Yo, bro, anyone that starts rage baiting, just fucking ban them for 24 hours, bro. I'm trying to trade today. No. I'm either going to do the 300 or I might just start at 1K. We'll see. I'll have a decision by tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, on Monday. What's today, Friday? Yeah, I'll have a decision by Monday. Why would you restart, though? Bro, to be honest, for the views, I'm a clout demon. You know how sick that would be? I already turned 300 into 10K twice. The last time I turned to 16K. If I do 300 to 10K, and then the thing is, most of you guys joined like the free Discord and like the streams halfway through the challenge. I just want to aura farm. Is it hard to trade on live account than a prop? Yeah. It's like pretty stupid question. You know how they say there's no stupid question? That was a stupid question. Shinobi copied my chart color. I don't know who you are, gang. Is it like free signals you only take on that account? I'm gonna go a different way about it. I think I'm gonna stream it and I'm gonna explain more of the strategies than just signals. Bring the mic closer. Bro, why are you guys obsessed with the audio of the fucking stream? Like chart. Did you guys see the TikTok account? Me, Powell, Loot, and all like the best top and bottom tickers made? We got trading clans now. You know what's crazy? Everyone like all these influencers that were begging me to join the Discord are they're like, "Oh, we got trading clans now, blah 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 blah." But then they're just like mad as fuck that we didn't let them in cuz they weren't good enough. Who's Axel? Bro, this guy Axel is actually crazy. Look at this shit that happened in the Discord today. They're like, what's gonna be the bottom of the market? Is it gonna let me paste it in here? Here, let me see if I can open it up like this. Look at this. Axel said 803. Luke said 803, and he said on God. And then look at the bottom of the market. 803 is right. I have to draw it out. This is 803. And then we bounced almost 200 points. We bounced over 200 points from there. Trading community is weird. Yeah, dude. How much was the 300 account balance at? It went to 16K. When it was at like 14K, I withdrew it. And then, yeah. I had 14K. I withdrew it down to 10K. What is a CZ? Bro, honestly, I don't know yet. I'm still waiting on Axel to tell me. Hi, Shinobi. Hi, Shinobi. Hi, guys. L Gatekeep? Bro, I don't know what it is. I haven't asked him. All right, what's market doing? Can we get a retrace that says 30-minute order block? Perhaps. Perhaps. Stop gatekeeping. Don't tell me what the fuck to do ever again in your life. I don't know why you thought like I was just gonna listen to you. Like, okay, I won't gatekeep. Shut up. How do you trade with 300? AMP lets you trade 1 mini with $300. What do you think about the hourly rejection block? I don't like it. The sauce you dropped on order flow yesterday was great. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Really appreciate it. Bro, how much fucking cologne did you put on?
Literally 3 sprays.
Bro, I smell it all the way here.
Yeah, that's good.
What is it?
It's that Gucci.
That shit is ass.
That shit is so
It's
good.
so ass,
It's
bro.
so dumb.
It's
It's so
so
good.
bad,
That's
bro.
actually probably
Bro.
the best cologne ever.
Dude, if that's the best cologne you have, bro, you know what? You know what, bro? We're gonna have to go cologne shopping for you, bro. That shit is you smell like an old man.
Bro, this shit is fire. You're the only person I know who doesn't like it. Nigga, you're about to drop 600 on fucking that shitty ass Dior cologne.
I didn't get it though, because I didn't like it.
Yeah, because it was ass, but you were all hyping it up and shit.
Well, was I wrong to hype it up? It was the #1 cologne influencer. I like aquatic fragrances, chat. I'm big on the aquatics. Tell them to get Prada Black. We're not listening to Rogelio Davila. Yo, the market should reject from one of these levels. I don't know which one. If it chooses both of these levels, I'm gonna be so annoyed. What's that at? 87.25. 97.25. If we don't reject from this rejection block, somebody gonna get a hurt. Get Pacific Chill. I like Imagination more than Pacific Chill. Hypothetically, guys, I think the market rejects from this area, this little zone. Somewhere in that area. If we get up there. But I like how it's like struggling to get up there. I wouldn't want it to just jump up right away and then reject. I only risk 10 points per trade, guys. $10 per trade. That's it. Do you use Midnight Open? Yeah. Is bro from Toronto? What makes you think I'm from Toronto, bro? Yo, Cardi, what makes you think I'm from Toronto? Like, I don't sound like that, bro. It's in the car. Not gonna lie, I thought you were from Toronto too. Where are the courses at, bro? I work. I can't be on live all day. What? Thank you. It's the chubbies right there. Why would you limit there? Why wouldn't I? Maybe because I wanted to. It's the 30-minute rejection block, guys. We had a candle trade in to a fair value gap and then reject and sweep the previous candle high. It's a higher probability rejection block because we have two areas of confluences. And let me see what ES is up to. Yeah, ES and NQ are relatively correlated right now. So let's see if we get some SMT going. What do you look for most for a solid rejection block to be valid? If a rejection block trades into a PD array and it has a sharp rejection, like and a long wick with a long body, that's a really good. That's a really good sign for a rejection block. So here you can see we had immediate reaction off that fair value gap and a long rejection down. That tells us that the sellers here were very strong, and that created that rejection, that created that absorption that occurred here. What time frame rejection blocks you made in trade? 1 hour and 4 hour. Do you have recorded class or full strategy breakdowns like course? The only way to learn from you watch the full live videos. The best way to learn from me is watching the lives and sticking through the bullshit. Why not the CE or 0.25? My vibes aren't there today at the CE. And plus, you guys have been overcrowding the trades at CE. Everyone's just like considering themselves the best trader ever because they take a CE of a rejection block. You play Clash Royale? Yeah. I play a little bit. I'm not that good. Do you play League of Legends? No, I'm not Asian. You know who does play it? Wob. You guys know Wob in the Discord? He plays League of Legends. Frankie plays League of Legends. How many points do you usually target? I go break even after 20. It's not specific on like, oh, I target 30 points every time, 40 points every time. It comes down to, whatever. Do you not care this is an eval? This is an express account. I don't last on evals very long. I full port them until I pass it. I don't waste my time on evals. After a certain point, guys, like this is some game. After a certain point, you have to see if you can get payouts and you know how to trade. It's not worth it for you to trade evals for a long period of time. Literally full port 5 contracts into one direction and pass it, or just don't fucking trade it at all, you know? Because if you're spending a week, a month on an eval and you have the ability of getting payouts, it's not worth for you to be trading evals for a month, 2 months. Okay? Especially if you're trading cheap evals like Apex, bro, full port that shit, pass that shit. You know? And then once you get onto the PA account, once you get onto the Express account, then you can actually start trading regularly. I see so many people do the complete opposite, bro. And you guys probably done this too, because I did it when I first started. Dude, you'll trade the eval so perfectly, like make 500 every single day. You get onto a fucking PA account, you want to make some real money now, then you start fucking going in heavy and blowing the fucking account. Like, imagine staying on an eval longer than the days required. It's literally not worth it. We might continue lower without me. I've been on this eval 6 to 7 months. Dude, the opportunity cost of staying on an eval for that long is just so stupid. I'm not getting mad, guys. Remember, at the end of the day, guys, like you guys making money or losing money doesn't matter to me in the slightest bit, you know? Like I gain nothing if you guys make money, I lose nothing if you guys lose money. The only reason I'm even telling you guys half this shit is just cuz like you'll fucking learn something, you know? No, I'm going to have it after chow. And plus they can see up to like here. Do you think that the uncomfortable feeling of boom, 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 hold on, dude. Let me do something real quick, bro. Don't ever wear the shitty ass cologne again, bro.
No, this is my favorite cologne.
I'm gonna fucking.
No, bro, don't do that.
I'll do it.
Alright, do it.
Just a little bit, bro. Just to counteract whatever the flip you had going on, bro.
Like, alright, now my right bicep's gonna smell like. Yeah, that shit is
You see, now it smells so nice in
How
here.
much is this one? Like 500?
What's that shot? Yo, chat, how much is the Louis Vuitton fragrance? Imagination? I don't remember. Amin gave it to me, and I sent him the money for it.
Yeah, I think we just did something here by mixing these.
It's like $250.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna get this.
No, you're not. You're not getting it, bro. They actually stopped making those as of today.
You know Raja and Tony Mama got fucking the big ones of this?
I have a big one too.
Yeah.
Dude, I hate
So you're
I,
not
bro,
those-
guys,
you
I
know any cologne you have, Raja has it too, right? Because he goes to your dad's closet and scopes out and checks what he needs to get.
bro, guys, my fucking family, bunch of dick riders, bro. I wore Louis Vuitton Imagination once. 3 out of the 4 people who like clothes all immediately bought it, bro. Who's PDM Leighton? Shinobi, I have 5 minis set. Dude, guys, when you guys like, what do you gain from telling me how much like size you have on a trade that I'm taking with 1 mini? Right? Like, you gain nothing from it, right? You gain literally nothing from it. From telling me, hey, I have 5 minis. It's not like I could control what the market does at my level. Yo, this Adam guy comes in here, call me burger every stream, and is under every one of my comments, bro. But this guy, like, he says the most hateful shit, but he's in every fucking stream, so I don't want to ban him because I kind of fuck with bro. But now I hit him. I hit him from the channel. I have 67 my 6-7. He doesn't understand brain rot. What's the difference between YouTube streams and Discord streams with you? Bro, no fucking difference, bro. No difference. The only thing I'm doing for extra for the Discord right now is I'm making a better course module in there. Shinobi, I just want to say you're funny as fuck. Thank you, bro. Just stick it in already. Bro, if I could say the N-word, that's where I would have said it. Who do you think's better, Powell or Axel? So our editor that we're having make a video for us, the web guy, Webby. What? But you look half black, so it's okay. Nav can say it, you could say it. Are you black, Shinobi? No. Shinobi, are you Punjabi? Yeah. No, I hate sitting on Signal Tracer, but bro is the best, bro. Actually just chills, talk to chat, and make bread. Yeah. Because to be honest, like, I only do the streaming shit for fun. I really don't, like, if you guys look in the bio, I don't have any paid links or anything. Like, the only thing of, wait, what was it? Oh, yeah. Okay, let me finish this sentence first. The only reason I do it is because it's fun. And the second I stopped, that's why I didn't stream all week. I wasn't having fun with it. And then today I'm like, all right, I'm going to try it out again. You've been rocking with me since the option days on Twitter. Love you, bro. Appreciate it, Matthew. But what was I saying? Oh yeah, our editor, he asked us, he's like, yo, who's the best trader in Tick? Like, can you give me a leaderboard? And then I sat there and thought of it. I'm like, bro, I couldn't even come up with I really don't even know who the best trader there is. And I'm like, me, Key, and Matt made the most money trading. I'm like, the Dutch, Powell, and Axel have the best entries. Luke has the best entries. Dutch holds the longest. I couldn't think of a single person who was like the best or worst trader. Like everyone, like, but I think like if other influencers start making trading groups, I think one of us, like one of our traders, could out trade every single person in any other group. No, we're all the people in Tick, we're meeting up in December in New York. I think we're probably gonna meet up in Miami before that too. What goes on the server? Bro, we backtest together. Should I use Bookmap? No. Bro, everyone talking shit. All these influencers that were trying to talk shit about Tick, bro. I can show you guys DMs of them begging to join. They're like, hey, bro, you forgot to send me the invite, bro. It's like, no, bro, you fucking suck at trading, bro. We're not about to give you extra clout so you can just fucking promote your fucking shit ass Discord, bro. How does one get in there? You can't. You literally can't, bro. If we take out this low, I'm not gonna look to long anymore, or I'm not gonna look for those shorts up here. I'll wait for something different. I don't even know who that guy is. Shinobi, take off the hat. Take off your pants, bitch. Tell me what the fuck to do. Who is in the Tick server? I'll read out the names. It's me, AB Trades, Dutch, Keyflow, Luke, Manoli, Matt Farias, Trades, Axel, who's I think his thing is like Top X Trades or something. Big Char, Powell, Salman, Soap, Spiffy, SRS Trades, Tristan the Wizard, and Tig. Who's the youngest? Shinobi, you chopped Indian and you're a broke white faggot, bro. What do you want from me, bro? Don't ever talk to your father like that again, bro. My dad honestly mogs you, bro. My dad would buy your family. Fuck ho. Who has the longest and most girth? Probably Solomon. So he's the most. His at is the most jacked realtor. He's a realtor. He doesn't trade, but he's just our homie. So he's in there. He's black. And I know his dick is big, bro. I know his shit. Oh, Solomon. Hey.
Why did I just hear this? To that question.
Bro, they asked who had the biggest dick, bro. You're black. Where the fuck did you join from? You never joined. How did you even? What the fuck?
Bro, I put you on YouTube on the TV because I was just watching YouTube, and then I was like, "There's no way he just said this, bro. You're not real, bro." Okay, I'm going back to watching you stream. Bye.
All right, bro. So that just happened. So they're talking about bro's big ass dick, and he just joins. He's like, no, I said he doesn't get on the Discord at all. And then he joins up, and we're talking about how big his dick is. Dude's got a hog. Dude, search up the most jack realtor, bro. Take a look at him. He has a fiance too. Tell me he doesn't look like he has a big dick, bro. Exactly, bro. It's not Salman, it was Solomon. Solomon, say something in the chat. Yo, Harry, mods, ban everyone. Anyone says some stupid shit, just ban them. Ah, there's Solomon, guys. He's black, by the way. Not that should divide us. Mods ban everyone. You ever watch Deller back in the day? No, bro. He raged too much for me to watch him. You know, I used to watch this guy named Avery because he was good at Fortnite. Wait, who wants you know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? I was gonna do an Apex account giveaway right now, but I don't feel like it right now. I'll do it on Sunday. I'll give away like a few accounts. I have like 10 accounts to give away. Yeah, I removed my limit orders, guys. When does this trade end? I mean, I already removed that limit, but the rejection block is still there. Right now, guys, it's just a patience game. Like, this is another thing, guys, that I see a lot of people in the stream specifically struggle with. You guys don't know when to shut the fuck up and just wait for a trade. You're not gonna have a trade every 5 seconds. You know, I'm not gonna be able to make a trade appear out of fucking thin air because that's not how trading works.
This is how when
What was that,
Solomon.
dude? Why, dude? Why is? True Dark One, bro. I appreciate it, man. Guys, the thing about. So here's the thing, right? When you guys start trading, you're gonna start trading with a completely different strategy than you have right now. And then as you start adding more things to your arsenal, slowly you're gonna start, like, say you start, like, I started with supply and demand, then I started implementing order blocks, then I started implementing order flow into the order blocks, then I started implementing rejection blocks, then I started implementing order flow into the rejection blocks, then I started implementing, different PD arrays and then order flow into that. Like, you guys see how it went like this? It wasn't ever just, oh, I'm trading this, okay, now I'm trading this, now I'm trading this. It was trading this alongside this, and then I'd keep what is good, what I backtest, what I think works well, and I just keep adding it. I'm not gonna sit here and explain order flow, but you guys can watch my YouTube video on it. I have so many videos on order flow. Skincare routine? Are you gay? Asking another man his skincare routine? 'How do you get order flow for free? Quant Tower. We're setting up a way for you guys to get order flow for free inside the free chat. So use footprints, yeah. What sizing should I use on 50Ks? Is it, guys, once you get to, like, if you guys aren't profitable traders, once you get to the PA stage or the funded stage, trade 5 micros only, bro. That's all you need. Five micros on a 50K, literally, bro. that should be your max size, and just try. A lot of the thing is people try using their funded accounts to just make as much money in payouts as possible. Just try to stay on the funded stage for as long as possible. So if you guys are literally holding a funded account for a month, 2 months, you're doing all right. Right now, market just seems to be chopping. I took one trade today for $900. I took this short here on the 15-minute rejection block. I sold it like here, but right now the market's just being a little gay. I assume this is Forex. This is NASDAQ. You fucking idiot. It says it right here, bro. It says it in the title, too. Dingleberry. Bro, I did 5 micros from July 14th to 31. I made 4K combined on 3A targeting 1.4 over 3. Good shit, Wiener Beaver. Shinobi, I'll crash out on you. Bro, you won't do shit, bro. You're soft as baby shit. If you set foot in Vermont, you will have a good time. Bro, I'm not ever stepping in fucking Vermont, bro. First time joining your stream, big fan of you, brother. Thanks, Jay. Do you have videos about footprint? Yeah. You know, you never told us what you like more than those Lambos. Big booty bitches. Dance for the money. All right, let's see if we start to break of structure. Plug walk. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk skirt. Pull up in a space cube. I don't let my plug walk. I have 4 dreams in the last fucking week where you show up in them. What the fuck is going on? Bro, dude, stop telling me you have sexual fantasies about me, Soothslayer. That is gay. Let me get this out of the way, bro. Stop dreaming about me, bros. Dream about some bitches, bro. Bro, I swear no homo shit happens in them. Do we believe him, chat? You're asking questions about trading in them? That's crazy. What does it say? Oh, shit. I don't know who he is.
Yeah, you do.
The guy on the Cowboys?
Yeah.
The only good player next to CD Lamb? Oh,
Yeah.
oh. Never heard of him. My new whip license plate is gonna be code OBI. Yo, that's what I'm gonna. If I start making like 100K from Apex, bro. Break structure at fair value gap is all you need, and you're banned, bro. Fucking setting people on the wrong track, talking about some break of structure and fair value gap. Shut up. Your stop is 11 points? I know. Since when do you trade it? How much you made? Someone just came in here and asked, when do you trade? How does this guy know my landlord got shot in Miami? What the hell?
Yeah, that's like one of my favorite stories to tell people.
Yeah.
Because his landlord got killed fucking executioner style.
Yeah. Shinobi sold me Fent in my dreams. Yeah, that was probably me. My brother just nodded me. How to add templates for specific limit orders for different. I don't know, bro. Ask Chat GPT. Like, you guys are asking the wrong person the wrong things. Shinobi sold me Viagra. No, I only sell Fent in dreams. I was closing my long on my live account there. Shinobi was unprofitable in my dream. Yeah, that was not me, bro. Let's dream about some realistic shit. Shinobi and unprofitable in the same sentence, bro. Are you dumb? Come on, fill us and dump. If this doesn't work, I'm getting off stream. Let's move to a lower time frame. Don't be nasty. 10 seconds, those 5-minute closes. I want it to close under our limit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's going to stop us out. It's going to stop us out. Gay. Gay as fuck, bro. Gay as fuck. Gay as fuck. Let's see. What else they got for us today? Shinobi fucked Solomon in my dream? What? Dude, I swear to God they're gay.
Like that dream shit, that was probably the gayest shit I ever heard in my life.
Never seen Shinobi send a winning signal? Bro, I've never seen you. I don't even know you. Yeah, bro, I just turned 300 into 16K in a month just trading red trades. And this guy's number 2 in chatting in here. If it stops me and runs without, this is why I hate fucking streaming, bro. You guys are some absolute fucking retards. This is why I hate fucking streaming. Bro, you were my liquidity today. All right, yo, I'm banning this guy. Yo, Harry, just ban every single person talking shit, bro. I don't need to see those retards. Like, bro, the stream's gotten too big for me to send signals, bro. Like, to be honest, I low-key want to chase this fucking move down. Low key want to chase it. I might do it. I did it. Bro, the thing is, the market today is moving so fucking fast. We just had a 1 minute inversion off the rejection block. We should be all right. Hypothetically. But you guys see how like 10 points is such a small amount today? Like, honestly, you need to size up and then just fucking go from there, bro. Because the market, like 10 points stop losses today are just not going to work. Dude, if you had your stop loss above that rejection block, you just cooked, bro. But that's the issue today, bro. It's like 10 points. The range is so big today that 10 points is literally going to get stopped out like this. Like this, I don't even have a stop at the high, bro. It has to be right here in the middle of a fucking fair value gap. That makes no sense. So stupid. It's actually so dumb. I actually got a shit fill on that too. Like if this rebalances into this fair value gap, I get stopped even though the trade will still be valid. You trading your fundeds right now? Yeah, it's my XFA. My XFAs, so I don't really care too much. Look, it's going to rebalance into a 1 minute fair value gap, stop me out, and then it's going to go down. Because you can't have a 10-point stop in this fucking market today. So the only remedy to this situation is to go in with 5 micros and have a 20-point stop loss rather than 1 mini and have a 10-point stop loss. And look at how aggressive this shit is. Yeah, if this stops, the trade is still valid. But if this stops, I'm probably going to call it a day. Because the trade is still valid up until another 30 points, which is so stupid. If I could get filled near the rejection block, I'll take that. If I could get filled near the rejection block, I will take that. 0325. No. Bro, what did I tell you guys? Did I not just say it's going to stop me out and then go because it's going to rebalance? You can't have a fucking 10-point stop with this shit. Literally impossible. I always keep my stop loss 10 points, guys, just because that's just how I trade. I literally can't have a smaller stop loss. It doesn't work like that in my brain. Let's see how it works on this let's see how we work off this fucking fair value gap here. Where would you TP? I don't know. It depends on if we can inverse this. I would look to see how we react at this 5-minute gap. If we react off this, then TP like probably down here on the retest of the change in state. I'm still drinking it. Bro. Shit's gonna run without me. Bradusky. Yo, chat, is this gonna run without me? I'll look to get out at like 42-ish. Touch 5 minute fair value gap. I'm pumped. Bro, the fact that I think we're going to go back to low day. I think we do that. Wait, do we have SMT with ES? No, we don't. Ooh. That would have been crazy good. I want to low key try 2007 or 7.5. Stop at 17.5. Go from there. There's a bullish SMT for the 4 hour. Yeah, but I think the draw is lower, guys. I think the L draw is L lower. Oh, UNH news came out? Oh, they're down. Well, okay. Low key. Get me out of that. Those are my new sell limits. Axles and longs? Nah, he got out. He was short down to that level. He didn't long it. He shorted down to that level. Guys, I think I'm about to buy $5,000 worth of Tesla calls. All right. I just bought $4,000 worth of Tesla calls for 2027. There we go. I low-key want to see us trade into this hourly fair value gap. Yo, once you're up 15 points, Donut, you gotta fucking move stop to break even, bro. What?
Bob posted the video, right? Just look at his face. He has like a fucking shiner. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at the top comment.
Shut up! Shut the hell your mouth! I saw this. Did you see what the comment said? He said they gave the speed bag.
Yo, that's a lot. The dog did that shit on purpose. Bro, what fucking dog wags their tail like that, bro?
Stop showing me shit. I'm trying to trade, bro. I saw that same shit. I'm gonna run a game of Clash while I wait for my limit, guys. Was that a 15-minute rejection block? No, it wasn't. So we short here, traded back into the 15-minute rejection. Guys, stop asking me questions. I'm trying to play fucking Clash right now, and you guys are kind of getting in the way. What's the white stuff on your hat? It's a Loro Piano, broke fuck. That's how they make it, motherfucker. I wouldn't expect you to know what Loro Piana is. Feel free to take a picture and set it as your wallpaper. Here. There you go. Lost your funded? Well, I mean, typing in the chat isn't gonna get it back, E-Stacks. Your name's E-Stacks, bro. You can stack money and get it back. You got this shit, E-Stacks. Arg. Dude, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Your aura is rivaling key flows? Shut your bitch ass up, boy. All right, let's see. If this rips past both levels, like, today's not my day. And it's a Friday. Preferably, it doesn't even go to the top level. I'm trying to play Clash Royale while I'm looking at this trade right now. All right, once it gets under 12, I'm moving stop to break even. Once it gets under 12, I'm moving my stop to break even. My level for break even is 12. All right. What could I have done there, bro? It didn't even get to my break-even level. My break-even level is right there. At least let me move stop to break even, bro. Or are you gonna trust me like that every time? Do you have a referral link with the broker? No. Legit futures brokers, guys, they don't do referral links. Otherwise, I would have made so much money off that. I'm trying to understand when you use order flow. When you see me clicking away on this screen, that's my order flow chart. I only show what I want to show. Oh, I don't like this candle. I don't like it, chat. Ah, yes. Higher time frame makes it feel better. I wish I would have went to my break even, bro. I would have been completely fine taking break even on this. It was 1 point away. Market is, but can you show us your thought process behind this situation with the order flow? No. 99% of people in here are too dense to understand order flow. You ran up 40K on an express and blew it, E-Stacks? Bro, are you kidding me? Are you being dead ass right now? Did you get a payout at least? Do you fuck with old Kanye? Yeah, I have the graduation bear, teddy bear. 43 will be the top tick. Let's see, bro. Let's see. I have 42.5. But I would prefer this one to just reject so I didn't have to take a loss before. Bro, how did you blow 40K on an express, bro? You have to be a different level of fucking retarded. Levels of retard we haven't seen in years. The broker is AMP live, guys. Alright, looks like we're gonna get stopped out on this. If this doesn't reject here, guys, then I'm honestly done for the day. Because then I don't think the market's gonna give us a proper pullback to long anyways. Alright, let's see if it fills 42.5. It'll be so fucked if it edges 42.5. Is it edging that shit right now? $300 a mini on AMP, yeah. Are you guys seeing this shit? Stopped us out, and then it's gonna go to our break-even level. Bro, I swear to God, market makers are watching my shit, bro. There's no other way. Bro think he icy. ICT? Bro, ICT is not as good as me, bro. That motherfucker sucks. I probably made more trading than that motherfucker has ever made in his entire life. Courses and everything included. ICT would outtrade you by a mile, bro. ICT hasn't taken a real trade in fucking 30 years, bro. If you guys literally are devout followers of ICT, you guys are some fucking unprofitable ass motherfuckers. I just know. Motherfuckers out here trading the most bullshit repackaged concepts, talking about, oh, ICT this, ICT that. You guys suck, bro. I'll out trade any ice. Bro, I had Dodgy's DD on his knees begging me for my strat, bro. You guys are on your knees, sucking his dick. He was on his knees begging me for my strat. I have a video of it too. Let's go watch it. This is a guy endorsed by ICT, by the way.
Shinobi, I surrender to you.
On his knees, tongue out and everything. Why do you think you wanted the unban on the Discord? Why do you think you wanted the unban on the Discord? You think you wanted to chat in there? Dude, this shit is fucking hilarious, bro. Oh my fucking God, bro. This shit's gonna go without me. All right, guys, I'm gonna end stream. I'm gonna go trade on my own. BRB. Have a good weekend. Use code OBI and